In this blog, we will see the implementation of shimmer effect in Flutter application. So basically we use this shimmer effect to make sure the data is being loaded, and the basic usage of the shimmer effect is to make sure the user know the data is being loaded. And also we are here, basically we use a loading effect like a loaders or progress dialog for this process. But here, with the help of the shimmer effect, you can exactly point out the shape of the data which is being loaded. For example, if you are trying to load an image, you can make use of a shimmer effect on an image view. Or if you are trying to load a data, then exactly you can make sure how the data is gonna appear onto the screen by using with the shimmer effect. So here we have adding a dependency here, Flutter shimmer widget here, and I have not specified any version for now. So basically you can specify it when you are using it in your real-time applications. And also you can see this kind of shimmer effect in the applications like YouTube, Facebook, Gmail, and so on. So these applications are trying to replicate the data which is being loaded. And so here we are starting with my app. From the void main, we are declaring the default class myApp here, which is extending a stateless widget here. So here we have specified a title here, shimmer, and in the home we have declared another class homepage, which is a stateless widget again. So inside we are returning a scaffold, and here we have provided an app bar with the title shimmer, and inside the body here container we have provided a single child scroll view here. So here you can have multiple items inside the scroll view. So we have provided a scroll view here. You can also have the enabling of the scroll view just like in your YouTube and in Gmail, where you have a list of data which is being scrollable. So here card placeholder with avatar. So here you will be having a image and a data on right of it. Just like in your contacts, you will be having an image, and to the right of it you will be having the data or the user details. So in the same way, here we have provided the first field in this manner, and in the second one we have provided an image itself here. So with the height of 200 here, so you can make sure you align the height according to your own requirement. For example, you are trying to load an image onto your screen, so with the help of those image dimensions you can make a shimmer effect. So when the image is loaded, then the shimmer effect can be replaced with the image. And here we are also providing a shimmer effect for the data here in the third style here. With the help of some padding and color also we have provided here. So depending upon your requirement, your design aspects, you can provide these things to your application here. And the fourth one is a simple text placeholder here. So whenever you're trying to load a basic text, then you can use these kinds of shimmer effect. For example, you are trying to load a paragraph or a text or the sentences in your application, then this one is the best way of showing the shimmer effect for this particular type of data. So here we will see the output of how a shimmer effect will look in our Flutter application. So here you can see what we have specified here, card placeholder with avatar. So here you can see an image and the data which is being loaded on right of it, and here an image with a height of 200, and here we have provided a padding. Here you can see the help of the padding we have provided some simple text placeholders here. So this is how the basic usage is being shown in the Flutter application. And if you are having any queries, do let me know in the comment section below. So now I think you understand the basic usage of the shimmer effect, and this is quite optional thing in your application, and if you think it's right for your application, then you can easily go ahead and add it to your application. Generally the new applications in the current scenario are being adding this shimmer effect to their application as a part of their design aspects. So it's your wish completely. If you want to add the shimmer effect, this is the procedure. This is a simple tutorial on shimmer effect, and the code for this tutorial is available in the description section below. In coming tutorials we will be seeing different other animation effects which you can be using in your Flutter application. So if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Flutter.